Hey, this is Tim with Bepoz Enterprise Point of Sale Systems. Hey, we get a lot of customers who call us up who are asking, the first question they ask out of the gate is, what credit card processor do you work with? And the reason that they've asked that is because there are a lot of point of sale providers out in the world today that will require that you change your credit card processing over to their company in order to buy their point of sale system. Bepoz just is not one of those companies. We will allow you to use whatever processor you want when you come to the table. So Bepoz can integrate with many different credit card processors. We probably cover 95% of the market of different credit card processors that you could bring when you come to us. So if you have a need for a point of sale system, but you don't want to get stuck in that rat trap of buying a point of sale system, then getting stuck into a contract with a credit card processor who then might be charging you exorbitant rates, way more than buying a more expensive point of sale system. In fact, this is something that happens oftentimes. You're offered a very inexpensive point of sale system, but the rates that you pay for the credit card processing is more expensive than just buying a point of sale system or leasing it and paying what you would pay normally at the end and getting better features, because most of the systems that do that, many of them have lighter features and don't have all the things that you want in order to grow your business. So if you want to talk to us about buying a point of sale system or looking at a point of sale system or getting a quote on a point of sale system for a system that won't require you to move processors, we'd love to talk to you. You can either call the number at the top of the page or click the link below.